Hi guys, how are you all doing? And welcome back to another one of my videos. And today I'm going to be talking about the Atom text editor or the Atom IDE. So let's go in and check it out. So first thing that I'm going to do is install Atom. So guys, there are two ways to install Atom. You can either open your shell and add the PPA and install the Atom from the command prompt. So in order to do that, you just need to first do sudo add app repository ppa:/web update team/atom, and once you do that, the next command that you need to do is sudo add update and sudo apt install atom. So this is one way of doing it via the shell, and I'm going to show you an even easier way. And what I normally do is just go into the browser and search for Atom on Google, and that will take me to the Atom website, and I simply just download the Debian package and I can just directly install it. So that's the simplest way of doing it. So once your Debian file is downloaded, you can just straight away open that file, and that will open up in the package management tool. There it is, and you can simply click on install package, and this will go ahead and install Atom for you. And there we have it installed for you now. So I have installed this in Linux Mint, and what I normally do is once my installation finishes, I just search for Atom and I usually add it to my panel so that it can appear on my panel over here. So that covers the first part of the video, which covers the installation of Atom, and be sure to check out the other parts in which I will cover themes and plugins and much more. So that's all for this video, and thank you very much for watching.